What are we doing this morning, Jack?
We gotta pack up our boat. We gotta be off of here next week.
Summertime on San Francisco Bay is prime sailing season. Unfortunately, boat life isn't always smooth sailing.
Last summer, we spent 7 weeks stuck at the dock replacing all 4 spreaders after a rough sail back from Half Moon Bay. That was a super bummer, but we learned a lot, and I think we have a game plan for if we run into that kind of situation again.
Of course, this summer we had the crazy idea of putting our boat up on the market and finding our next blue water cruiser. We struck up a deal with a neighbor in our marina to purchase his Passport 42 Peregrine. The previous owner had circumnavigated on her, and with a boat like this, we were ready to do the same.
The boat had scheduled yard maintenance, and we came to the agreement to perform some of that maintenance to drop the price.
We even helped the man move off his boat and into his new apartment. We spent the next few weeks knocking out the last few boat projects on Spirit and spending all of our free time enjoying the beautiful weather out on the bay. So we have signed the official sale agreement documents for Spirit. We're supposed to be off of Spirit by August 30th, and it's the 22nd today. And we were not ready.
We gotta be off of here next week.
And this is what our boat looks like right now.
The task at hand seemed really intimidating, but we divided and conquered, worked together, and knocked it out of the park.
Oh my goodness. Never expected to be doing this. Bye!
The day had come. We parked Spirit for the last time and handed her over to her new owners.
We stayed in an Airbnb while Peregrine was still in the yard.
So here we have our home for the next 3 nights. It doesn't float. That is very weird. I'll give you a... No windows. It's just the bed. And then this little study nook. But it's only going to be for hopefully just a couple days, and then we'll get back onto the water. But
It's pretty crazy. Like, we can't even believe that this is actually happening right now. It almost feels like we might actually be buying a Passport 42.
Sometimes things just don't go as planned. Join us next time as we take a break from boat life and figure out our next life move.
If you like our videos, subscribe and give us a thumbs up below.